Hello everyone and welcome. This is a calculator model Everest Multirapid from around 1955. It has normal shapes, but with very strange functions. First of all, you can notice it has a dial here. It seems the one of the old telephones. Its purpose is not to connect the calculator in internet via phone line, and it's not a multifunction calculator with integrated phone. Its purpose is to do multiplication. We'll see later. This is the main control lever that allow you to do addition, short press down, subtraction, shift to the left, subtotal, press to the right, total, shift to the right, total correction, slide right. If you want to move it on the table, it has two wheels on the bottom. Let's start to see the funniest thing, this dial for multiplications. For example, this one. I type the 23 here. The multiplier has only one digit, so I add a 0. Then I turn the dial in the number 5, and here the result, 115. It's fun, isn't it? It wasn't the only Everest calculator with the dial. There were also the model Multirapid, this one. It's an electromechanical calculator, which means there is a motor that moves all the gears and levers. Otherwise, there would have to be a crank, and the energy to move the gears and lever would be provided by your muscles. The ribbon is very worn. I don't have a new one, but it's possible to use this ribbon for Seiko calculators. It's enough to cut two pins and leave only one. When this lever is moved forward, the machine doesn't write the numbers to be added. It writes only the total, and after this the lever automatically returns to its normal position. Do you see the lever return to rest position? It allows to save paper. This is the comma selector. The manual states that this is the only machine in the world that allows a decimal point setting with a choice of 2, 3 or 4 decimal places. I don't know if it's true. This is a control window. It shows how many numbers are entered. The red arrow on the left jumps upwards to CR in case of negative balances. This is the repeat button for repeating entered numbers as often as desired, in addition and subtraction. When you press this button, it cancels the last number added. Do you see the arrow in the control window that come back one position? This calculator reminds me of phones from the 1970s. Even the color was the same. I don't know why they used such a depressing color, but I remember with nostalgia when I used these phones to call some girl. Back then I didn't realize how nice it was to use phones that didn't constantly try to steal your data and sell it somewhere. Have a nice day.